Hey guys, welcome back to Nanrobot. Today we will show you how to replace the battery. The battery used in Nanrobot electric scooter consists of model 18650 or 21700 cells and a protection plate. Our battery has multiple protections: overcharge protection, over-discharge protection, overheat protection, overcurrent protection, etc. All of the above protections may make the battery temporarily disabled, in which case you can try to wake up the battery. After waking up, if e-scooter still won't turn on or charge, then we need to replace the battery. Of course, you can always chat with our support team if you have any questions. First of all, we use Allen key to remove all the screws on the deck cover. Please remember to keep them carefully. Remove the deck cover and the rubber gasket. Next, we find the yellow connector where the controller is connected to the battery and unplug it. This is followed by the yellow connector that is linked to the charger and charging port. Disconnect it. Now we can take the battery out. Let's move on to the next step. Put the battery in battery compartment and be careful not to press the wiring. Then we find two yellow connectors, circle to circle, square to square. It will cause a short circuit if your operation is wrong, so please make sure to check the hole position before connecting them. And take these two small yellow connectors and link them exactly like the old one. After connecting all the connections, we turn on the voltage lock and long press the switch on the throttle to confirm that the instrument display is showing properly. Next, press and hold the headlight/horn button to check whether the horn is sounding properly and whether the lights are flashing properly. After it, lay the rubber gasket, put the deck cover, and tighten the screws. That's all for today. Hope this video will help you, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you in the next one.